Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick pre-market video for October 23rd. First thing I want to note on real quick, in the Discord we have all the PBI charts posted here around what's 6:57 today, a little late for us, but still you got them. Yeah, let's get into first off hitting on the tick real quick. Here we have the tick US model. You can see all last week market breadth pretty poor. 3 out of the 5 days we had selling to the downside. Then our cumulative tick itself is in a downtrend. Railroad tracks are trending lower. Looking at the tick ARCX model, same thing. Cumulative tick trending lower. Railroad tracks lower, and we do have the longer-term moving average moving lower as well. Now, getting into the web app itself, here we have the SPXP full complex. First thing I want to hit on is, that the transition box is quite wide today. However, if we take it to the landscape view, we can really see transition is more in this area. Let me check my notes real quick. So full complex, I have, 4320. Which is kind of up here in this area up here, 4370. Those are your transition levels. So you can see we are quite extended from the negative transition zone. Paul likes to talk about kind of how far is that rubber band stretched. I would say it is quite a bit stretched. It's almost 2.5% to what I have is negative trans. Then 4200. This is the downside level that I'm looking at. You'll see that this is consistent across all time frames. So yeah, something to keep in mind there. Again, we talked about it at open mic last night. We don't have, we have 0.5 move to the downside, 2.5% to the upside. So risk could be kind of what I have in my notes is don't get your face ripped off to the upside. So something to keep in mind. Certainly my bias is lower, but I'm cognizant of, if we do get some kind of move higher, maybe could be quite quick and violent. So moving over to the SPX here, we're going to look at 0 DTE first. Again, transition zone pretty tight, 4330, 4230, 4235 here. We are negative put dominated, above and below spot price, 4200 again, key zone here. Again, if you're interested to the upside, 4235, this is the first level that we do need to get above. Looking next at the 1DT, again in the money, out of the money, put dominated transition zone, quite a bit higher from 0 DT, 4260, 4265, again 4200 key downside level to the downside. Moving on to the full, looking at this week's expiration. Here we go. Again, transition zone. Taking it back up here, you can see, just due to these kind of random green spikes. However, the transition zone is more up in here. Again, 4285, kind of the bottom of the transition zone, then 4320 top of transition zone. Again, a lot of puts expiring this week. 4200 key downside level on this time frame as well. And then lastly, let's look at the full complex, 4220 key downside level. Again, you can see it's quite evident here. We are very far from transition level, which would be right around in this area. So 4200 by far and away the biggest downside level. So something to keep an eye on. Two other things I want to hit on real quick is SPY. This is the GEX ratio command $GR. SPY we're at 0.45, and SPX we're at 0.6. So those are quite low levels. So again, just kind of summing things up for you guys. GEX ratios are getting very low. Kind of significant put dominated structure. Kind of the risk to reward between 4200, which is my key downside level, and the bottom of transition zone is getting quite stretched. So again, just to reiterate, my bias is lower. I'm looking for short trades down to 4200. However, I'm cognizant of that there could be some kind of relief rally that is warranted with the current structure. So a couple things to balance this week, and then throughout the week we have various economic events like Jay Powell speaking sometime later this week. So check a site like Forex Factory or something for that. But with that, best of luck to you all today, and we'll see you in the Discord. Bye.